at this stage we cut our ends and hide them inside, as you can see. So, and now we're gonna attach it to our plate. This is the plate where our cat's gonna sit, and we need to do some side bar for it. So we need matches and glue stick. Actually they look like this. If you have a glue gun, it's perfectly fine, it would be 100% easier, but I still prefer to use matches. And I'm gonna show you how to do this. So we're melting a glue stick a bit, just a bit, it would be enough. Then put a match away. And first we're gonna attach it on a side, somewhere where you want to start. Take a glue stick away, and in this place I'm gonna put the end like this and hold it for a couple seconds. That is. So in this way I'm going to attach all the way around, so on the side here and then on the back on this side. Let me show again how to do this. There are one thing that I want to show you guys, it's regarding the end, how attaching the end, and be sure you don't put the glue over where you end finish, so that's why be a little bit cautious with regards to this. Let me show you what I'm doing. So there are just like all of this length left to do. Let me take it out and I'm gonna attach bit by bit glue here, here, here. So I think it's not gonna be the end yet, but then you just pull on it. You don't need to stretch it, just put it over as it like laying or staying right now. It should be fine, and just hold it for a second and it should be attached. This should be enough. So right now I left a little bit small end and hope next time so I could show you now. And this is basically the end, and we already have ears which are looking like ears so far. They basically attached, so we need to attach this side as well. So let's return to our end and We're gonna see the key point here. Next, we're putting it on the side, and at this stage I would recommend you to attaching on your working part, crocheted part, rather than on the plate. So I put the glue on a crocheted part and I'm gonna attach it in the same way, right? That is just to don't put glue somewhere here, to don't take it over where our cover is made for. After we attach our side part, so basically this one is attached already, we need to attach the back side or bottom side as well. So the logic are similar. We're just gonna melt the glue. Put the glue inside. Be sure that glue don't over cover. And hold it for a couple of seconds would be enough. So it's already attached. Basically it after you attach your plain crocheting part to the plate. It's all done, so be sure it's standing like this, and then you can screw it back to the main part of your ground play for kittens. Let me do it.